Alright guys, I'm trying to bring you this nasty. Oh, I hope you heard that. That's what I was trying to catch. It's a nasty, nasty train fart. He moved on me. He's making it hard for me to catch him. But let's see if he does it again. Oh, it's nasty, nasty. Not that one. That's nothing. Oh, it blows water out the side. It sounds horrendous. Come on. Please. I ask you for one thing. You have one job. One job. It's that guy. Right there. Please. I'm so close. I would get closer, but there's a yard police here watching us, trying to keep us from trespassing, so I can't get over there. This is a Vardo yard in, I guess we're in Maryland now. Hagerstown area. Okay, that means it's going to be here a little bit longer. I see the engineer. Or conductor, I'm not sure which one that was. Oh my god, he had the best, nastiest, grossest train fart of all history. Come on. I have faith in you. Nope. It's not the nasty one I'm waiting for. Nope. Don't fall for the trickery. I know it's in there. I've heard it. I almost got sprayed by it. I have never in my life heard a train fart like this one. I think you'd have to call in a train exorcist or something. I hope you heard that one when I was walking over here. I'm sorry I didn't show it to you, but God, I hope that's not the only one. I hear another train coming, actually. This guy's probably waiting for that train. Come on, I don't usually have 3-minute train fart videos, but please, please, please. So close, so close. Oh my god, it wants to. Oh, wait a minute. We've got movement. I hear it doing something. Keep your eyes on him. You hear it crackling? See how it's all wet right there? Oh no, don't go faster than me. No. Don't leave me, farty train. Don't you do it. Well, no, that wasn't it. I hope that, hope you heard that first one. Because that's the best I can do, yeah, I think. So close to the nastiest fart in train history. Oh, did you hear that? Did you hear that? It just did it. Fart at you later.